Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Zedge account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account, and right now I simply want to log out of this account right here. Well, do note that there are many photos and videos that you can download right here. Well, here's all: wallpaper, the ringtones you can download from, the live papers as well, and the wallpaper making. Well, these are all the features that you can use from, but right now, let's not worry about that. What we need to do is simply log out. In the nav bar, right next to the bell icon, you will see this profile button right here. Just click on it. Then this will open up from the side. It's gonna give you a few options like your username, profile page and everything. But let's not think about that. At the very bottom, you'll see the logout button. And as we do want to log out, let's simply click on it. And guys, there you go. As you can see, we have logged out from our Zedge account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.